My name's Phil Reese, P-H-I-L-R-E-E-S-E, and we have a cow-calf operation that in southwest Missouri, and we're running primarily on fescue, and we feed, in the wintertime, we'll feed some Bermuda hay and orchard grass. Well, we started using Beefmasters, I guess probably on what we're doing is running two different sires, or what we have been doing. We've been running spring and fall. We'll have one group with Angus and one group with Beefmaster, and the reason we do that is to keep the Beefmaster heifers and develop them ourselves for replacements. Okay, the Beefmaster female is probably the very best at everything they do. I mean, they have to run with bulls and breed up. They have to milk good. They have to be gentle. They have to take care of their calves, and that goes along with the E6. They've got to have all those 6 characteristics that actually made the breed, and that's what makes them better than anything that we found for a cow. Okay, the other breeds that right now that we've got, just using those Angus bulls on part of them, and then using the Beefmaster bulls on the others, which takes care of our replacement needs, and that's kind of what we're running right now. Well, they won't be as big, for one thing. They'll definitely not wean off a calf as big as the Beefmasters. They're usually 50 to 100 pounds heavier than the others. Well, I think the heterosis that they got from the 3 breeds that started the Beefmasters, it's extremely good. No other cattle have it, and so I think that's the heterosis makes everything better. Yeah, I agree. They're a lot more docile cattle. They get used to you, and you get used to them, and how your stockmanship and how you handle them is important with any breed, but certainly they can accept, and they want to figure out what you're asking them to do. More pounds. I mean, we're still selling them by the pound, so they got to be bigger ribeye, bigger. I mean, it's just marbling ribeye. Everything's got to be good, and it is. Well, I think in 2 ways. I mean, they have absolutely helped our efficiency by taking this fescue grass we got out here and turning it into pounds of beef, and that's pounds of protein, and that's what people need. And then we have cows out here that are 16 years old that are still having a calf, so you're not having the turnover that you would have with some that don't have the livability to stay in the herd. Yes, they have adapted very well. Like I said, we basically running these on fescue, which is kind of hard to manage at times, but they have adapted well to that. They don't hang in the pond, they don't heat up, and it can get as cold here in the wintertime as it gets anywhere in the world, and it can get as hot here in the summertime, and they adapt to both summer and winter very well. Well, you're going to increase your weaning weights and your yearling weights, and like I said, you're selling on town, so you're going to like that. That's a good reason to have them.